When it comes to the stock market, there is never a dull day. Hey there, Tamir from FIBONACCI-Traders.com here. Daily market recap, like, subscribe, and let's see the charts. Today's market recap, we will start with the Ethereum. Went up 19.2% after news came out that more than 75% chance that the SEC will confirm Ethereum's ETFs. Now the 3730 look left was resistance, long continuation, and we will see 3970 and then 4280 as the next resistance, with the 3500 is now the support. Bitcoin also inch away from all-time highs at the 71,940 for the time that I'm recording this video. All-time highs is this 73,575, breaking above the 72,000, and we will see 76 and 81 with 68,600 now is the support. SPY, 3 consecutive trading days with doji after doji. We have a gap over here at the 523, which was previous all-time highs. Long continuation, and we will see 541 and 554. QQQ, 0.7% to the upside. New all-time highs. Each and every day that goes by, the Qs are making new all-time highs. Long continuation, and if we follow history, we can assume with the highest probability that the next resistance, next stop on QQQ is the 467, together with this upper red trend line. Dow Jones went down 0.5%, now going to retest and close the gap at the 395. We know that more than 85-90% chance of all gaps will get filled. Long continuation above the 400, and we will see 407. IWM, solid day with 0.2% to the upside. 5 consecutive dojis with the 206 is the support. Above the 209, we will see 214 and 220 to the upside. MAGS, Magnificent 7 ETF, 4 consecutive trading days with a doji. Now the 4050 is the support. Long continuation above 41, and we will meet this blue trend line to the upside. SOXX, the semiconductors ETF, we have Nvidia's earnings coming up Wednesday after the closing bell. Let me know in the comments below what do you think, where Nvidia will take the semiconductors sector, to the upside or to the downside post earnings. Anyway, today, May 20th, SOXX went up 2.2%. Next will be new all-time highs and 244. The 227 now is the support. Like, subscribe, don't go anywhere. We will talk about many more interesting stocks and names and setup. Just hit a like, hit a subscribe. You don't want to miss the pre-market preparations. 8:29 Eastern Time. Hit the like and hit the notification bell because you don't want to miss it. Apple, 0.6% to the upside, holding strong above this blue trend line. You know this blue trend line. This blue trend line was resistance for higher highs. Now it's support for the higher lows. Long continuation, and we will see 195 and then new all-time highs on Apple. Mara, 14.8% to the upside. We drew this uptrend red channel few weeks back, and now once again at the upper border of this red channel together with the 2280. Long continuation, and we will see 2480 and 27 to the upside. Overall, Mara follows Bitcoin, of course, and if Bitcoin and Ethereum will continue its bullish sentiment, Mara will hit 27 soon enough. MicroStrategy, same thing, 9% to the upside, holding strong in the past 4 trading days above the yellow zone. Long continuation above 1731, and we will see 1924 and then 2180 to the upside. Microsoft, 1% to the upside. moving sideways between the 418 and the 425 area, 426. Inch away, less than inch from new all-time highs, and then 437 and 450 to the upside. Nvidia with earnings coming up Wednesday after the bell. Also 2.4% from new all-time highs, long continuation above the 960, and we will break the 1000 barrier to the upside. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Where Nvidia is heading post earnings? Towards the 1270 or back to the 764? Let me know in the comments below. Super interesting to know what you're thinking about. Netflix finally broke this tight range, broke above the 623, and as we said in the past few days, we are heading above the 644 towards new all-time highs, also on Netflix, towards the 707. AMD 1.13% to the upside, holding strong above the yellow zone. Let's see continuation above the 170, and then we will meet 187. Don't forget, AMD semiconductor will be affected by Nvidia's earnings. Google 0.5%, made intraday new all-time highs and just got back, and now the 174, 173 area is the support. Long continuation, and we will see 186, 196 to the upside. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, don't go anywhere, we have more to talk about. First, we have Tesla. All across the board, we have new all-time highs, breaking bullish trend. Tesla still below this red trend line to the downside, still below the sell signal on the daily. Just imagine, if you don't know this is Tesla and there is nothing here, no name, would you consider even looking at this price section? Newsflash, no. Just because it's Tesla, you are following this stock, you are following this price section. Ignore the noise, ignore the company, ignore the name. Trade what you see. Take decisions upon what the price section is telling you. For now, no long, at least in my opinion, no long on Tesla. I'm waiting for a break above the 186. And of course, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence. Meta, still struggling with this blue trend line. We drew this blue trend line, I think 1 or 2 weeks ago. And once again, trend lines proves themselves as the true resistance for price action. Follow the trend, and for now, lower highs on Meta. Once again, breaking inside the yellow zone. Next support is the 461 and then 451 to the downside. First, we need Meta to close this gap and close above the 488, and then we might see all the way to 535 to the upside. Amazon continues its non-movement. As you can see, since beginning of May, nothing much from 186 to 189 to 183. Nothing much on price action on Amazon. Still inside this uptrend green channel, breaking below it, and we will see 175 and 166. Long continuation above 185 towards 191 to the upside. Overall, more interesting to see in the coming days is Ethereum, of course. Can we get crossing above the 4120? And then we will get a very nice bull run towards 5190. Same goes for Bitcoin, breaking above the all-time highs, making new all-time highs, and 81,300 will be here very, very fast. Once again, thank you very much for joining and watching this video. If you found it helpful, educational, please hit the like, subscribe, and don't forget to check the links in the description below. Choose your path to financial freedom. Until the next video, stay safe.